The gay Igbo man who is juicy, glowy, moisturized, sexy, divinely protected, hydrated and unbothered is doing all the things. Yes, it is early morning and the sun is out. My ancestors literally came out for this gay Igbo man and they are doing what needs to be done for me. I am going to make this bed. I woke up at 5:30 this morning. Let's make this bed that is Higi and Haga. I have to change this bed sheet this weekend. I need to do an early morning workout. That's what I've been doing recently. Depending on my schedule, sometimes I work out like late so I can remain glowy. I'm done. Let's get something to eat and then go. She did it again. Oh my days. My hands are freaking full and it is called being an adult. I haven't spoken to some people that I'm supposed to like check in on them to know how they are doing because life has been doing what life does. Capitalism is what it's called. I don't understand for the life of me why some women hate gay people so much. I need to really understand why some women really dislike gay men because gay men did not do anything to you. And the thing is that some of these women are actually married to gay men without actually knowing. Look at your home, check the men that you're sleeping with. Some of them are gay men who are pretending to be straight and are married to you. And you are here being frustrated and lashing out. My dear, gay people are not your problem. Let me go because it was a hard work to get somewhere to park. I thought that it will not be as busy here, but it is. Where I normally park when I get here, this older man was there with his wife and he had his trolley and whatever and I just could not get in. And then I got into this place that is so tight. I had an incident here not long ago and it still plays in my head sometimes when I try to park. Anyway, let me just go and do what I need to do because later. Sorry about the sound in my car because it's so hot. The air conditioner is turned on so that the car will cool down. As I'm trying to reverse, there's so many cars coming from left and right. That's why I hate parking here. I just got back in. I did what I needed to do. Being juicy, gay Igbo, and being the vibes. Thank you so much for spending some time with me. Listen to Igbo Queer and Unfiltered. The podcast is on every podcast platform that you listen to your podcast on. The podcast is released every Tuesday. Subscribe to the African Gay Igbo Vlog channel. Have a wonderful time. I will see you in the next one.